wondered what makes India's youth so enamored to Korean culture, from attractive young musicians to dashing romance heroes? Here in this video we are going to speak about the Hallyu or Korean wave. So let's get started. So what is Hallyu? Hallyu is derived from a Chinese term which literally means Korean wave. It is a collective term which describes the phenomenal growth of South Korean culture, which includes K-beauty, K-drama, K-pop and many other things. So in past decade, Korean soap operas and Korean pop music, most commonly known as K-drama and K-pop, has become a huge thing in Indian youth. Many fans of Korean drama and Korean music and people who follow Korean culture, and most of you all have, I know, in lockdown have become chef. So you all must have made new dishes of Korean food such as kimchi and many other foods. I know, because food has also become a hit in Mumbai or in many other states. Like it is huge in India right now. K-pop, K-drama, Korean culture, and majorly this trend started in northeastern India, because northeastern India is much more familiar with East Asian cultures. So first East Asian cultures they used to follow, but now Hallyu, Hallyu took a great growth from northeastern. The second bit is around Spotify. So Spotify, we all know that it is one of the most popular music streaming apps in the whole world. So they launched in India in 2019, and the director of product growth, Owen Smith, was surprised. Why was he surprised? He said that my number one surprise was how big K-pop is in India. He also said that but K-pop has been around in India from years before he realized it. So the first time most Indian came to know about K-pop was similar to when the rest of the world got to know about, because of Gangnam Style by Psy in 2012. Oh yeah, Oppa Gangnam Style, we all know that, right? So, and also according to Spotify records in 2020, India was in top 22 PCs of K-pop listening in all Spotify market globally. Some of the most loved K-pop band are world-renowned band which is BTS and girl group Blackpink. Oh yeah, I do have my Spotify list, and it has majorly all other artists, that is Twice, Blackpink and all the OST which I have. I know why Spotify is trying to say. I know guys, there's so many streams and I'm also included in many of the streams. I'm not going to tell you because it's a secret. Just joking guys. I do listen and stream a lot of music of lot of other artists. So this video will not end if I'll start giving you names. Yes. So let's move on to the next bit. Third bit is, if you all are familiar with this online shopping center or you are not, so I'm going to tell you Coricut.com. So Coricut.com's owner and founder Seo Young-do, he stated that we will become the Amazon and Flipkart of Korean brands as per the demand. He also stated that during pandemic, many Indians started cooking Korean food. They started watching K-dramas and listening to K-pop, Korean music and many other things. Not only this, outside of Korean music, Korean dramas have also captured India's youth hearts, because so much that Netflix India 2020 record has marked 370 pieces in viewership of Korean dramas and Korean movies. Oh my god, that is really good. Actually, it's excellent. I mean, I'm just seeing that how much I started standing Korean culture, K-pop, K-drama 4 years ago, and since these many years before that also, we all know all the old fans of Korean culture and K-pop and K-dramas fan would be knowing that it did existed in India, but in these years it has been like a boom in India, right? Not only this, Duolingo learning app, language learning app has marked 256% of increase in Korean learning since March 2020 to November 2020 in India. Yes guys, in India alone. Now and if you all are familiar, if you all do shopping from Nykaa, I mean like most of us do, Nykaa, who is one of the biggest makeup aggregator, has also given and dedicated one section for Korean beauty. So guys, this was it for the video. I hope you all liked the video. I wanted to do such video because like this is like my first attempt to do. I did my research. I may have missed certain things, so if it is, please let me know, please make me knowledgeable, and I would love to know your opinion and what do you know about Hallyu under my comment section. So you comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing guys, if follow me on Instagram, I started doing reels. Okay, I just started doing reels. Okay, so and any other suggestion which you want me to do, any topic which you want me to cover, you can DM me on Instagram, as well as you can comment down below. And yes, I love you. Bye.